Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aryan Kumar, and today I'm going to teach you all about GCSE physics. Now, why I have chosen this board? If you don't know, guys, this is a kind of board that teaches physics in term of, you can say, concepts. Their terminologies are strong rather than other boards. You can even choose any particular topic from any board and study from this channel, because I provide universal concepts rather than just focusing upon any particular board. So let's start with it. We are simply starting with basic topics. Then we will be looking to such attributes of various and hard terminologies as well, such as circular motion, etc., that we are going to study in future and are important. Okay, but before that we have to provide a knowledgeable sense to our basics as well. So first thing today we are going to discuss is energy never created nor destroyed. Okay, so as you guys know, whenever, okay, an energy is created, for suppose this is an energy, as energy is created, it cannot be destroyed, it cannot be created again. Either it will remain in your environment whenever it was formed. First of all, it was never formed, it was released, it was naturally present in the environment where you live. Okay, and cannot be destroyed ever, because its particle will remain always in that environment wherever it was there, it was formed, it was actually habited, right? So that is how this term means energy never created or destroyed. It has a lot of various prospects in it. You can search it out, you can have animational look on it, and yeah, that is how what I can say for this. Afterwards, the topic is not topic, a kind of same thing. We are looking into energy stores. Now if I tell you, there are a lot of type of energy stores that are meant to be used in our natural environment, such as heat energy, kinetic energy, that we are going to study right now. Okay, so first of all, heat energy. What is heat energy? Again, heat energy is type of store that is like utilized whenever we are applying temperature, right? Temperature can be in any form. You can decide it, whether it is Kelvin, it is Fahrenheit, it is, you can say, Celsius. It can be in any terminology that are used for temperature in actual. So yeah, that is how we discuss heat energy. Afterwards, kinetic is basically a collision of two objects. Whenever it forms kinetic energy, one object is having kinetic energy in it, the other will provide its mechanical energy, such as hitting a ball with a leg, right? So it will fly away from the distance where it actually was, just because of kinetic energy. So that is how I denote kinetic energy. Afterwards, gravitational potential energy. It is totally dependent upon the position, whether it is on ground, underwater, up the space. It can be varied upon the gravitational force and potential, right? It simply means how the surface of Earth attracts objects. Okay, again, these are basic topics. You can look into their derivations as well. They are more, you can say, defined versions on YouTube. You can search it out easily. These are basic definitions for basic level. You can simply have a look on it. Again, this was done. Okay, elastic. Now what is elastic? Energy held in a spring or any spring type, you can say, elasticity object, having elasticity object that actually carries a spring in it. It cannot be spring that can be stretched, basically. uh, for example, if I am stretching a rubber, it is also having kind of elasticity. So that is how I denote elastic. Afterwards, chemical energy. Again, held in chemical bonds, right? It can be in your body as well, such as if you are kicking a ball, right? So of course your body carries chemical bonds, mixture of atoms and chemicals as well in your brain. So that is how the chemical energy is transferred, utilized and utilized. Now magnet, what is magnet? Attraction between two poles. It can be two different poles, right? Attraction between them is known as what? Magnetism. Okay, so basically they attract each other. They don't repel, they attract each other. So they can be different charges always, but the thing is they will always try to be together, right? Again, if you are having different charges on each side, they will repel themselves. This is a basic topic. Again, I have just provided a simple definition for it. Now, what is electrostatic? Anything that is carrying charge is known as electrostatic. That works and transfers the energy is known as electrostatic. What is nuclear energy again? Breaking atoms apart. That simply gives us an explained version of, you can say, a collision, uh, diverse, diverse collision in your environment always happen by any type of nuclear energy. Whenever the atoms break down, whenever they collide, whenever they form a heat capacity in themselves, they always blast, they try to like express themselves in the environment. That's why the energy that is in nuclear power, in nuclear sources, is defined right here, as defined right here. Sorry for the rough tough definition, but yeah, that is how I suppose a nuclear energy. Okay, afterwards, transferred, how they are transferred again mechanically. For example, if you are kicking a ball, now it will flew away, but the thing is you have kicked a ball, your leg carries a mechanical energy that transferred the energy from your leg to the ball. Meanwhile, the ball was having a kinetic energy, that's why it flew away, as I discussed right here. So that is how mechanically it is proven. And heating, of course, you can, if you are heating any object, that will provide any type of assistance, then it will simply give us smoke, also known as fog. There are a lot of terminologies for using it right here. Electrically, of course, in wires we are having electric charges that are flowing through the wire, that are actually providing us electricity in our houses, in a lot of institutions. At basically at every point you are having electricity. That's how it's used. Light radiation, again, if I'm having a bulb in my room, it is radiating my room with the light. So light radiation is kind of transpiration energy that is being utilized in our environment. Of course, sound, by sound waves, or you can say by sound radiations, the energy is transferred as well. There are such systems that actually transfer energy by sound waves, such as Wi-Fi. You can have Bluetooth waves as an example. So yeah, these are kind of terminologies, such you can say methods that are used for being transferred. I guess there are a lot of other um, sources as well that you can transfer from, but yeah, these are the available right here. Okay, let's have an example. Okay, I think I should make another video for it, so stay tuned. I'll upload another part for it after this video.